By 2025, the electronics and communication industry is projected to soar an impressive $1.56 trillion. At CGC Mohali, we are committed to not just preparing you for this growth but empowering you to drive it. Our B.Tech ECE program equips you with the knowledge and practical skills needed to revolutionize technology. Why choose CGC Mohali? Our curriculum blends strong academic fundamentals with hands-on experience in cutting-edge fields like IoT, AI-driven communication systems, 5G networks, and robotics. With a focus on project-based learning, you will apply theory to real-world scenarios in areas such as signal processing, embedded systems, and network design. Our students have the opportunity to connect with industry leaders and gain insights from experts at leading recruiters like MU Sigma, Toki Enterprises Private Limited, Everlife, Quality QSEC Technologies, and more. CGC Mohali alumni lead the charge in diverse roles, including robotics engineer, IoT innovator, communication system designer, and network solutions architect. At CGC Mohali, we believe in shaping the future of technology. If you are ready to innovate, lead, and transform the world of electronics and communication, your journey begins here.